LSX brings you all the convenience of a wireless music system with the emotion and detail of true high-resolution stereo. Stereo gives music space to breathe. With two speakers positioned apart from each other, you'll experience music as a three-dimensional soundstage, with all of the space and presence of the original recording. LSX is completely wireless from your phone, laptop or tablet, and from one speaker to the other. A product of over 50 years of KEF acoustic innovation, wrapped up in an integrated package. At the heart of LSX is KEF's patented UniQ drive unit. By placing the tweeter at the center of the mid-range and bass cone, this innovation radically improves stereo imaging and ensures that no matter where you are in the room, sound comes at you so naturally that it's as if the musicians are right there in front of you. LSX features KEF's Music Integrity Engine, a bespoke digital signal processing algorithm which corrects phase distortion and time delay and allows acoustic optimization for the characteristics of specific rooms. Apple AirPlay 2 technology enables multi-room streaming from an iPhone, iPad or Mac. With Spotify, Tidal and Bluetooth built in, LSX will get the best sound from all your music. And with a simple optical cable, is also perfect to transform your TV sound. With the KEF Control app, you'll be set up and enjoying music in minutes. LSX is the simplest way to connect to incredible high-resolution stereo sound.
If you sit down and close your eyes, if you're sitting in front of your speakers, you think the musician is standing right in front of you. Dynaudio is known for innovative technology and solutions. With the new XEO system, you have a complete wireless system offering high-end sound quality.
With every new product, Dynaudio always improves the sound quality. But with XEO, we also asked ourselves, how are people listening to music today? Not everyone wants a stacked hi-fi system with amplifiers, DA converters, speaker cables. Some would say, here's my music, I want to play it on the speakers. It's really flexible, because with a trio transmitter, you can add analog audio, digital audio, and with USB you can add your computer. So you can add any music source you can think of. The secret behind XEO is that it merges Dynaudio sound quality with advanced digital amplification, and we made it wireless. Dynaudio XEO is the first wireless high-end speaker.
The Dynaudio XEO system offers the full quality to the listener.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.